Hi, welcome and thank you for using the T12J scheduler. This video will serve as a guide as to how to use the T12J scheduler. Let's begin with the interface of the software. As you can see, on the left side, this part of the window allows you to add commands into the scheduler. The 4 commands available are add, which allows you to add an event to the scheduler, display, which shows the existing entries in the to-do list, delete, which allows you to delete an event, and finally, the status command, which allows you to change the status of an event. In this demonstration, we will be using a scenario, and through this scenario, demonstrate the functionalities of the T12J scheduler. In this scenario, you are the T12J, or in other words, the boss. So, now I received an email from my secretary regarding a board of directors meeting on the 2nd of December 2011. It will start at 8 PM as you can see in the email. So, to enter this entry into my scheduler, all I have to do is go to the scheduler, type add, the name of the event, which is the board of directors meeting, the date of the event preceded by a -D, 2nd of December 2011, followed by the start time, which is the -T, and the end time denoted by -E. After pressing enter, I will receive a confirmation message from the software saying that the add command has been successfully executed. This is also reflected on the right side of the window, which shows all the events that I currently have in my schedule. Next, I realized that I've forgotten to go for my son's graduation ceremony on the 6th of November. So, in order to change the status of this event, which is to put it to a miss, I will first have to display the available entries in my schedule. This will be done by typing the display command into the window. As you can see, it shows the list of all my entries in my schedule, and it displays the events of 10 at a time. So to look at more entries, I will press the N command, and it will show the next few entries in my schedule. So as you may have seen, son's graduation is in my second entry of the schedule. So to change the status, I will first type status, the status that I would like to change it to. In this case is miss, because I've missed the event, followed by the index of the event, which in this case is 2. I will receive a confirmation message showing that the status has changed. This is also reflected in my events page on the right side, where it shows my son's graduation event has been missed. Now, I've also received word that the League of Bosses dinner function, which is on 8th of November, it is cancelled. So to delete this entry from my schedule, I will simply have to go to display, look up the index of the League of Bosses dinner, in this case is 4, and just delete it by typing delete followed by the corresponding index. It will show me a confirmation message, and as you can see, it is immediately reflected on my events page. So these are the basic functionalities of my T12J scheduler. Now, extra features of our T12J scheduler include a quick help pop-up. This can be seen when you point to the command bar and the quick help pops up after a while. This is for you when you have forgotten how to operate the software and you need some quick help. This displays all the formats of the 4 commands: add, display, delete, and status. Another extra feature will be our window shortcut to minimize the window, to minimize the software into the taskbar. This is done by pressing Windows S, and as you can see right here, this is the icon for our T12J scheduler. It is to minimize the taskbar. This is so that as a T12J, I will not have to keep relaunching the program and exiting the program every time I want to use it. I could just minimize it, continue with my work, for example go back to my email, after which press back Windows S so that my program is re-shown onto the desktop. Now, certain erroneous input include adding adding events, but yet specifying an invalid date or invalid time. For example, like this. The software would prompt you that you have entered a wrong input by showing error passing date switch. This means your date has been an invalid entry. This would be the same for the time, start time, and the end time if you were to enter it wrongly. This is the end of the demonstration. Thank you for using the Tauke scheduler, and I hope that you will have an enjoyable experience using it.